If you're watching this video, it's likely because your Facebook account was disabled and you've got that dreaded 180-day restriction. Don't worry though, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to fix it. So, if your account was recently disabled or you've been waiting for that 180-day period to pass, stay tuned. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why Facebook might have disabled your account in the first place. Facebook can disable your account for a variety of reasons, like violating their community standards, using fake names, suspicious login activities, or if they detect automated behavior. However, don't panic. If you've been waiting for that 180-day period to pass, your account may automatically be reinstated once that time frame is over. So, if your account was disabled and you received a message saying your account will be reviewed or reactivated after 180 days, that means you just need to wait out the period. Facebook does this to allow time for users to resolve any issues or clear up any disputes. You may receive a message that says your account will be reactivated in 180 days. But here's the key: you need to follow a couple of steps to ensure that the process goes smoothly. Here are the exact steps. First things first, check the email linked to your Facebook account. Now, Facebook usually sends an email letting you know your account was disabled and provides a link to appeal the decision. If you didn't get an email or can't find it, don't worry, you still can go to the Facebook Help Center and check your account status manually. Now, if Facebook didn't automatically restore your account after the 180-day period, you can appeal the decision. To do this, go to the Facebook Help Center. Search for my account was disabled. Click on the link that says request a review. Here you can simply fill out the form. Provide any additional documents if needed, like a photo ID or proof of your identity. Now, while waiting, it's a good idea to review Facebook's community standards. Make sure you understand the rules to avoid getting disabled again. And that's it. I hope this video helped you understand what to do if your Facebook account has been disabled and the steps you need to take to get it back.